Welcome to the House of Cars. Hey, car enthusiasts! Welcome back to the House of Cars, your ultimate destination for all things automotive. Today, we're diving deep into the 2024 BMW X7, a luxury SUV that redefines what it means to drive in style and comfort. Get ready to explore the features, performance, and everything else that makes the X7 a standout in its class. Let's hit the road. Elegant and commanding design. The 2024 BMW X7 is a true embodiment of luxury and sophistication. Its exterior design is both elegant and commanding, with a bold kidney grille that immediately grabs attention. The sleek lines and sculpted surfaces create a harmonious blend of power and grace. The adaptive LED headlights with laser light technology not only enhance visibility but also add to the vehicle's striking appearance. The X7's presence on the road is unmistakable, making it a head-turner wherever it goes. Powerful performance. Under the hood, the 2024 X7 offers a range of powerful engine options to suit different driving preferences. The base model features a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six engine that delivers 335 horsepower and 330 pounds-feet of torque. For those seeking even more power, the X7 M50i is equipped with a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, producing a staggering 523 horsepower and 553 pounds-feet of torque. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, ensuring smooth and responsive performance in all driving conditions. Luxurious interior. Step inside the BMW X7, and you'll be enveloped in luxury. The interior is a testament to BMW's commitment to quality and craftsmanship. Premium materials, including fine leather and wood trims, create a sophisticated and comfortable environment. The X7 offers seating for up to 7 passengers with optional second-row captain's chairs for added comfort. The front seats are equipped with heating, ventilation, and massage functions, making long drives a pleasure. Cutting-edge technology. The 2024 X7 is packed with the latest technology to keep you connected and entertained on the road. The centerpiece of the dashboard is the BMW Live Cockpit Professional, which includes a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12.3-inch central touchscreen display. The iDrive 8.0 system provides intuitive control over navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration come standard, ensuring seamless connectivity with your smartphone. Advanced safety features. BMW has equipped the X7 with a comprehensive suite of advanced safety features to provide peace of mind on every journey. Standard features include adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The optional driving assistance professional package adds even more capabilities, such as traffic jam assist, lane keeping assist, an extended traffic jam assistant, which allows for semi-autonomous driving in certain conditions. Versatile and spacious. One of the highlights of the BMW X7 is its versatility and spaciousness. The cargo area offers ample storage space, with up to 90.4 cubic feet of cargo capacity with the second and third rows folded down. The power split tailgate makes loading and unloading a breeze, while the air suspension system allows for easy adjustment of the vehicle's height for added convenience. Sustainability and efficiency. BMW is committed to sustainability, and the X7 reflects this with its efficient powertrains and eco-friendly materials. The inline-six engine features BMW's eBoost 48-volt mild hybrid technology, which enhances efficiency and performance. Additionally, the X7 incorporates recycled materials in its construction, reducing its environmental footprint without compromising on luxury or quality. Final thoughts. The 2024 BMW X7 is a luxury SUV that offers a perfect blend of performance, comfort, and advanced technology. It's designed for those who demand the best in every aspect of their driving experience. Whether you're navigating city streets or embarking on a long road trip, the X7 delivers an unparalleled level of refinement and versatility. Thanks for tuning into the House of Cars. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think about the 2024 BMW X7. Until next time, keep cruising in style and drive safe.